This is an Anker USB Type-C version 3.1 Gen 2 data hub, 8-in-1 with power delivery. So we just received it. Let's open it up and take a look and see what's inside the box. Okay, I predict at least one person came to watch this. I'm not sure what you were looking for. Do you care what the packaging's like, as long as the product is not damaged? Maybe you do care about what's inside. Well, you're going to get some manuals. Use these things before? You really don't need it. You plug it in and you start plugging your devices in. They're that simple. But let's take a look at the product itself that we ordered. It looks nice. Metal, like the color, feels good. USB Type-C power delivery and Power-C and HDMI, SD cards. It's got everything. Ethernet, I give it a thumbs up. They do ship a little carrying case that you can put the device into if you're going to carry it along with you. So that's pretty nice. That makes for a decent experience. But how about this? Sorry, I got it off the screen here. This cable. I want these things removable so I can choose my own length cable. So on that one, sorry, but you get a big no.